In this video, I'm going to share with you some affordable housing options. Many of you want to buy a home and you may be able to own a home right now for less that you're paying monthly in rent. And you could qualify with a 575 credit score. And I'm going to show you three models. One is a 1 bedroom, the second one is a 2 bedroom, and the last one is a 4 bedroom. This can give you an option to home ownership, even with troubled credit scores. And with some of the programs, you don't even have to put money down to qualify and get a home. Now, with this high inflation causing the prices of homes to be very high, many people turn to other affordable home options, like what's big in the South and in Texas, which are barn dominiums, where it gave you a lot of square feet and you can really cheaply get a shell and customize these homes. And now, because of their popularity, even builders are charging a premium for even these affordable home options. But now they have a prefab option for barn dominiums, which is a 2 story. Now, if you guys want me to check out this model and walk through it, check it out in the comment section, and I will do a video on this if you're interested. But now, with so many options, you can get into a home within 90 days by going with prefab options, and they have financing where you can actually purchase land at the same time. And many of times you're seeing all these new built homes that are really huge on really small lots. This will give you an opportunity if you are a person that wants to buy acreage, a big amount of land. This could be a way for you can fund it and get a new home at the same time.
Now, this is a 1 bedroom tiny home model, but as you can see, it's very attractive, especially for a home. If you're already a renter, this can be a great option for you to own yourself with a porch and outdoor living space. This is offered by Titan Homes. When you step right in the home, this is a sitting and your kitchen area, and with a open concept. Now, this is great because this is like a 1 bedroom apartment. The other option you can use this for, if you want to get into real estate, this can be an option for a rental for you to actually make money. And this is the bedroom along with one bathroom. And it has a washer dryer hookup. And out of the bedroom, you do have a door that goes out to the patio along with a closet. And you go right through to your kitchenette space, back into the living room. And it comes with an AC unit. So if you are trying to downsize or retire, this is a great option if you want to go towards that tiny home. And with this outdoor living space, you can set up to host, have parties, and enjoy your outdoor scenery.
Now, depending on your situation, that's going to roll into the financing of the home. Now, one scenario, you may already own land, so you want to leverage the land to help you pay for the home. So you're adding the home onto your currently owned land. And so those are financing options where you can use the land as a down payment and you can help finance the home itself. Or you may be a person that's going to put that on a family's member's actual land. And so with that, that can be an option where you just finance the home only, or you might want to purchase land and put the home on at the same time, and they can wrap all of that into a loan. Even if it's undeveloped with no utilities on the land that you select, they can finance all of that in the package of setting the home up. So you can roll that all in. Now, what's going to dictate your monthly payment is going to be the interest rate and which option that you're taking. So if you're buying the land and the home, you can still get a FHA loan or even a USDA loan if it's in a rural area with no money down, or even a VA loan. Now, with those interest rates, credit scores do come into play. You can qualify for these homes with lower credit scores like a 575, but keep in mind, if your interest rate is higher, it causes your payments to be higher. And with my elite credit system, users like Sean went from a 612 credit score with all his credit scores over 770 in the matter of 6 months. And now he's at an 803 credit score. And by removing your hard inquiries, that can also increase your credit score. So if you need my help and that free hard inquiry removal package that I offer, those links will be in the description of the video and in the pinned comment section.
Now, Titan offers this 2-bedroom option also if you're looking for more space, or you can use it as a retirement home, or if you want to use it as a rental. And you can even have a 2-bedroom option or even a guest room for yourself. Even if you're a retiree with a husband and wife, you can enjoy this kitchen area, seating, and for entertaining with really large windows. And you have a lot of natural light. The layout is very open concept, so it doesn't feel cramped. And you have a washer and dryer hookup even in this unit with a door that you can exit outside, and this will be your main suite area. So this will be your master bedroom, and this is a large master bedroom. So with this space, even though it's in a tiny home type setting, you don't feel cramped. And I love this barn doors that they have that's hanging so your doors do not swing out. This make the room feel much more spacious, and with the beautiful design on how this bathroom is set up. This is a 1 bath, but you have your shower also with the color scheme with this additional 2nd bedroom here. If you have a guest, everything is compact, and it even is an option, like I said, for a rental. If you're trying to get into real estate, or if you already own a piece of land, this can be a great option to set up if you want to make some additional income instead of having a vacant piece of land, or if you also have an adult child or grandchild where instead of them paying rent, this can be an option for you to set up and just build a homestead for your family. Now, this next home is 4 bedrooms, 2 bath, offered by Palm Harbor Home, and it even has a theater room. As you enter in, you have an open concept, and it offers a fireplace along with a island and open eating area with dining room. This home also comes with 2 fireplaces, one in the master bedroom and in the living room, and this theater area. Now they have it set up as a game room, and this offers these 3 bedrooms in the back. Also, you have your washroom area with a washer and dryer, additionally with a main bathroom unit that you have there. And you have 3 bedrooms on this separate side of this home, where with these 3 bedrooms, if you're a person that have a number of children, this is great because on the other side would be your master suite. This can offer you some privacy, and having the kids on the other side of the home may keep down some of the noise if you as a parent is trying to get some sleep or some rest. So this is great because you have everyone all on one level, even if you have smaller kids. And as you make it to the other side of the home, you have your own private area, and you have a joint kitchen eating space, and also it has a pantry in this unit. And this is a very large size home. This is about 2,000 square feet, and with your master bedroom, you do have your own fireplace and a lot of natural light, and you have your ensuite bathroom with double vanity sinks and a large shower area. And for you ladies, you have your own powder area for your makeup, and also to have your own vanity and with a large size walk-in closet. And even if you have you and your spouse, you should have enough room to share in that closet with a separate toilet space. So if you or your spouse are getting ready together, you have your own individual privacy. So this is a beautiful model.
Now, using this option can get you into home ownership more affordable or give you affordable housing if your rent prices are really high. And you can build equity and start to build generational wealth for your family. Now, if you like this kind of content, let me know if you want me to make more videos like this, if it's helpful to you. But if you have any questions or comments, leave it in the comments section. But if you even have more detailed questions for me, you can go to my website and all your questions go directly to my cell phone. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Stay tuned.